Despite appearing very small and manageable and compact, this does not mean that this is not an effective iron kit. It has proven to be so. Despite its size and its portability, there are a vast array of components that are still simple to use despite the complicated look. Due to the included instructions, myself, I have had no problems at all following them and being able to do the DIY by myself. As you can see from the soldering iron here, we have an adjustable temperature. You can go from 200 degrees to 400 degrees, whichever best suits your needs. Using the soldering iron and the solder in this little cylinder, which comes through the hole here, you can reconnect wires, you can do repairs, you can focus on maintenance if need be. As you can see, this is all explained in the instructions here. How to change and replace parts of the soldering iron, as well as how to actually utilise and use the soldering iron to fix any broken sort of mechanics or wires or any sort of disasters that seem to have happened around the house. You don't really need to worry about that anymore, and I have not, thanks to having this soldering iron kit.